Hello, welcome. Today's video is an unboxing and first impression video. We're gonna be opening this box that came directly from the Netherlands. I've been curious to try this fragrance since I am in love with the coconut from this brand. I think this brand is called Fugazzi or Fugazzi. I think its meaning is fake or fairy dust, something that is not real. That's what I found online. And the name of this perfume is Wood. I think it's like wood or wood. I am not sure if the pronunciation of the name of the perfume is Wood or Gouth. I bought it because I really like the notes. It has wood in it, and I think that's why the name Wood or Gouth. Please correct me. I really don't know how to pronounce it. This is an Extrait de Parfum, and that's another reason why I wanted to buy it. I like to buy the stronger version. I really don't know how it smells. This is the first time. This is a blind buy purchase from Fugazzi or Fugazzi. The fragrance note for this perfume or this Extrait de Parfum is oud, pamplemousse, mandarin, blackcurrant, muguet, Bulgarian rose, sambac jasmine, ambergris, musk, ambergris, leather, Indonesian patchouli, vetiver java, I think, Indian sandalwood, and benzoin. And this product is made in the Netherlands. So let me show you the bottle. Wow, it's a big bottle. That is the box. It's a very simple box. It's okay. My fragrance is in good condition. It came from the Netherlands. Also, the bottle is really nice and simple. I like it. I really want to know how it smells. Another thing that I like about the bottle is the cap is magnetic. The cap is magnetic, is plastic, I think. And it has the logo on top of the bottle it looks like the letter A. And the bottle is glass. It's very heavy. I like it. It has a good feeling. And what else I can say is an Extrait de Parfum. This is a 100 ml, 3.5 fluid ounces. So that's why it's a big bottle. We're gonna smell it for the first time. I don't know if this fragrance links masculine, feminine, or if it's 100% unisex. We'll find out right now. And I'm going to spray this on my skin because I've been waiting to spray this and smell it. I really like In Love with the Cocos. I will do a review on that perfume soon. Let's discover this together. Oh wow. Dios mío. Wow, when I first spray it, I easily can smell the oud and also the ambergris. And it's very strong. Since it's an Extrait de Parfum, it's very strong. As a woman, I do like this perfume. I think it's strong. I think it's a little bit animalic. I really don't know how this will dry on my skin, but the first impression is magnific. It's magnifique. I love it. I love this type of perfumes. They are deep, they are dark. This is a little bit animalic. The first impression is positive, and I'm going to spray more so I can feel the dry down later. I'm really happy that this blind buy was a successful blind buy. It's exactly what I was expecting. And it's unisex. But I don't recommend you to blind buy this perfume if you don't enjoy oud, if you don't enjoy ambergris, and if you don't enjoy, let me see, leather. Also, it has musk. And the sandalwood, I still don't feel it. Maybe in the dry down. But I definitely also can smell the rose. I don't know about the jasmine, but I do feel the rose, the oud, the leather, the ambergris. It does remind me of a few fragrances that I have with oud and roses, but it has something different in it that I like too. So I like it. I'm happy with my purchase, really. Can you see? I personally like it, and I'm gonna tell you more about this perfume in a future video because I really don't know its performance and how it dries down. I don't feel it feminine. That's why I can say it's unisex. It's very strong. Again, it's very strong. So if you don't like strong fragrances, try it before you buy it. This was my first impression and unboxing of Wood or Gauth. I don't know, please correct me. From this brand Fugazzi from the Netherlands. And this is an Extrait de Parfum. I hope you like my video. I hope it's been of some help to you. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And I will see you next time. Bye! Update. After wearing this fragrance for about 24 hours, I can positively say that this perfume is very, very long lasting and it projects and people can smell you and you will receive compliments, especially men. Men love it. If you are a woman looking to buy this perfume, I must tell you, the dry down on this perfume leans masculine on me. I will suggest you to purchase a sample before buying the full bottle unless you enjoy masculine leaning fragrances.